What's good, YouTube? It's Chuka the Barber. I'm here with another video. Today we're gonna do just a quick lineup on an afro. These type of lineups could be difficult for a lot of people. So I'm gonna show you how you can get a nice, clean lineup on someone who has a full blown afro with no tapering or no fading anywhere, just the lineup only, all right? So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pin up his hair. I'm gonna pin it up, get it all out the way. Then I'm gonna grab my wall legend and I'm gonna open up the lever all the way, and then I'm gonna use the blade to grab hair and pull it down and trim it at the same time. So to say it in a different way, basically what I'm doing is I'm taking the clipper blade and I'm using the blade as a comb. I'm using the teeth as a comb to grab and pull down hair. So in a sense, I'm creating baby hairs where there was no baby hairs. This technique allows me to pull down just a minimal amount of hair and trim that hair while I'm doing it. So I'm gonna just follow his hairline all around using this technique to pull out a little bit of hair and trim it at the same time so I could follow up and line it up. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna take our Enhanced Hold Spray. I'm gonna spray some around the hairline, let it dry, and then I'm gonna follow up with a lineup using my usual technique. Then I'll hit them with a razor real quick. follow back up with Enhanced Hold Spray again. Prior to applying the Enhanced Hair Fibers, we're gonna take the black fibers and we're gonna apply that to his hairline, fill it in, just make it look a little more fuller. Wanna make sure to keep it looking natural though, so we're not gonna overdo it. And that's it. So that's how I achieve sharp hairlines on someone with a full blown out afro with no hairline at all that I could follow up on. So I had to create baby hairs, trim those, line it up, and then of course I enhanced it and got this final result. All right, so make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm dropping every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday right here on my channel. I appreciate y'all watching. Tap in next time. Peace. YouTube, what's good? It's Chuka the Barber here. I want to thank y'all for helping me hit 200,000 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without y'all. We're going to keep it popping, all right? So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Help me hit that 300K, all right? I'm here giving y'all good game knowledge and information 3 times a week. I'm out. Peace.